Good morning to all the precious people all over the world. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys. Today's video content is to let you hear the sounds, the meow sounds of my precious fur babies. This is George. George! 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 Yeah! Let them hear your meow, yeah. Let them hear your meow, yeah. Let them hear your meow. And meow. Okay. Let them hear it more. Huh? Let them hear your meow. Huh? Yeah. Thank you for letting them hear your meow. This is Jade. That is their color discrimination. These two always go together. They won't let any other color near them. It's only what do you call that? On a random basis. This is Jade. Hey, Jade. You're sleeping. The moles. Let him hear their meow with the moles. Moles. He did. He did. You let him hear your meow. Eh. He did. Eh, eh. That's your meow. You cute meow. You have a cute meow. Meow. You let him hear your cute meow. He did. He did. You let him hear the cute. You let him hear. Do not quarrel with Kuya. Do not quarrel with do not get angry, yeah. Do not get angry. Ayaw, yeah. Ayaw, yeah. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, Jade. Hey, Jade. What's that? That's a meow or that's an angry note? This is Kisses. Kisses. Hi, Kisses. Hi. Eh. Kisses. Eh. Kisses. Hi. 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 Hi, little one. Let them hear your meow. Hi. What's that? What's that? Let them hear your meow. Yes. Off. Let them hear your meow. Let them hear your meow. Kisses. Kisses, you let them hear your meow. Hi. Hi. Huh? Sis. This is Tika. Kakak. Huh? Kakak. Hi. Hi, kakak. Hi, kakak. 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 Hi. You say meow. You say meow. Yes. That's his usual, her usual sound. The murmur. Kakak. Huh? Kakak. 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 No, Mama kids just want to hear your meow. Kakak. Kakak. keeps on turning around. Cat. Kika. 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 Huh? You're coughing? You need to drink lukewarm water again. You went away. Kika. 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 Mama Kiss just wants to play. Right, the little boy knows how to go up there already. Their chilling place. That's the first time he went there. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Hi. Hi. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Hi. Shake, shake. Hi, shake, shake. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing, little one? What are you doing? Shake, shake. Hi, 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 hi. Shake, shake. Huh? Ah, off, 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 oh, off. Hi, hi, hi. You will not make a sound. You will not make a sound, shake, shake. Hi, 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 little one. He's not making any sound. Huff, huff, huff. Shake, shake. Huh? You like it there? Huh? You know how to climb already there? Shake, shake. How about LT? Hi, LT. Hi. Hi, LT. You make a sound, LT. LT. Oh, she's sassy. I'm sorry, this is sassy. The ginger one is sassy. Does it sound sassy? Sassy? Almost like a whisper. Tati? Tati? You're hungry already? Huh? Huh? So cute. No more. No more. Mawakis will not do that. Daddy. This is the whitey one. Eddie. Hi, Eddie. Hi. Hi, Eddie. Hi. Hi. Sparky. Hi, Eddie. Hi. 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 Hi, Eddie. Hi, Eddie. Hi. Hi, Eddie. Hi, Eddie. The white ones are not letting their sounds go out because this one, the sound of this one, and then he will hiss. Eddie, huff, huff, huff. Eddie, that's his sound. Ouch, ouch! Mama Kiss pinched you. Sorry, sorry. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys, so that you may add up to our 27 subscribers. Thanks for hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified on our future vlogs. George? Oh, that's the best meow of my eldest fur baby. Kuya George? What's that? Hi. What's this? Mama. You have a particle of your ribbon. This one keeps on. That's why he keeps on opening his mouth. You George? What? You say? Thanks for liking our video and sharing it as well. George. And thank you for making some encouraging comments. Thank you to all the precious people all over the world. This is George.